Hi, this is Devin from Paraguide Technologies. In this video, we will see how to debug a plugin inside Microsoft Dynamics CRM using Plugin Profiler. Plugin Profiler allows us to debug our plugins remotely without having access to MS Dynamics CRM server. We can debug plugins using Plugin Profiler in a scenario where we do not have access to production environment or MS Dynamics CRM Online. By Plugin Profiler, we do not require to attach our process to W3WP. In this test scenario, I am going to use one plugin which is registered on update of topic of any lead. So in this scenario, my users are getting business process error on topic of update. So let's see how this can be handled using plugin profiler. So this is my lead and I'm going to update the topic of this particular lead. Here I am updating my topic and now I am going to save it. On save of this particular lead, I am getting business process error. See this error, I can download log file and on opening this log file, I am getting particular exception. This exception is coming from my update lead topic plugin of lead. Now I am going to close it. Now I will move to my plugin profiler. So for going to plugin profiler, I need to open my plugin registration tool. And I connect it to my particular organization. So initially, Plugin Profiler is not installed in any Dynamics CRM organization. You need to install it through Plugin Registration tool. So by clicking on Install Profiler, this installs one managed solution inside your CRM organization. Now I am installing my Plugin Profiler. Meanwhile, we can see how many solutions are there inside my any Dynamics CRM organization. So here you can see I don't have any plugin profiler installed in my solutions. So currently my plugin profiler is being installed. Now my plugin profiler is installed inside my organization successfully. I can see it inside my solutions now. See, my plugin profiler is installed as a managed solution inside my organization. Now I can go to my plugin registration tool again, and from error log I got the particular plugin which is throwing some exception. So I need to profile that. I can select that particular step and start profiling for that. I'm using default settings for this profiling. Now if you see the difference, my plugin is now profiled. My step, its status is changed to profiled. Now, if I perform the same operations on my particular lead, I will get the same different kind of exception now. So this is my lead, and now I'm going to update the topic. So this operation is being, I'm considering this operation is being performed by my user, and my user get this particular exception. I will request my user to send this error log to me. You can download this log file. See the difference. Instead of business process error with some exception, I am getting it to profile error. Now I can save this particular text file, and I can request this user in my scenario to send it to me. Once I receive this particular error log, I can stop my profiling. To stop this profiling, I need to perform the same steps, and I need to select my step and stop profiling. You can see the difference now. I have stopped profiling for this particular step. Now I will go to my development environment and I will see for my code. So whenever you are debugging your code for any plugin, remember to run your Visual Studio as an administrator mode, that is elevated permissions. So now I will open my plugin registration tool and click on debug. Here I need to select the profile, which profile I want to select. So this is the error details which I got from my user. I can open it up now, and I need to give the assembly location which is being generated from my code. So this is the particular plugin assembly which I want to debug. Point to remember is that if I start execution right away, it will throw the exception. Now I need to check the process ID here. Here, Visual Studio must be attached to particular process ID which is being mentioned inside your plugin profiler. So I'm going to attach process, search for plugin registration.exe, and attach to particular process ID which is mentioned over there. Click on attach. Now my code is ready for debug. Once it is attached properly, I need to start execution. For that, I will open my plugin execution steps and click on start execution. Here you can see my debug point has come and it has hit my particular breakpoint. I can start it debugging. So I found the particular code which is throwing the exception. This could be any business logic in your real world scenario. Now I am going to stop and fix this code and build this DLL again. So my fixed DLL is prepared now, and without registering it to my organization, I am going to debug it. For that, I need to select this updated DLL in my plugin profiling. So assembly location, I will give my updated assembly location now. This does not register our updated DLL immediately. I will follow the same steps of attaching the process. I will start execution again. Here I got my debug point. See, I can now assure that no exception is being thrown from my code and my code is fixed. Now this DLL is ready to be released to my Dynamics CRM server. I can send it in solution or I can register it from my plugin registration tool as well. So I am updating my plugin with new updated DLL. So my assembly is successfully updated over there. Now I will perform the same steps in my Dynamics CRM server where I was getting that exception. I will go to lead and update my topic. Now I'm going to save it. So my lead is successfully updated now without any exception. So in this video, we saw how to debug a plugin using Plugin Profiler. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is Devendra from Paraguide Technologies. Please visit us at www.paraguide.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.